Good afternoon, Fabio Donetti for Winston Capital, covering the week of September 27, October 1st, from the car with some company there in the back. So, the energy markets are on fire. There is a lot of tension, apparently, especially in the UK and Europe, with supplies, but it looks like it's steady, it's not moving. There is a meeting of the OPEC tomorrow, Monday, when they're thinking of raising 400,000 barrels. But according to experts, might not be enough because, like everything else in the world these days, which is supply chain constraints and everything, and everything, looks like they won't be able to raise the story. So some people are saying maybe there is a time to look into the XLE, and we will take a look this week. Maybe it's good to go long because if the winter starts, which officially started October 1st, and it's cold as some meteorologists are predicting, we might have a surprise in energy prices. So we'll look into that. Last week, something very strange happened with Chairman Powell. You know, everybody discounted that he's very well liked. He was very well liked by this handling of COVID and everything. But then he was in the Senate talking about policy, and Senator Warren, the leader of the progressive wing of the Senate, really attacked him, and he accused him of being very lenient with the banks and creating more risk to the financial systems. And she openly said that she will not support his nomination. That was kind of strange, I have to admit. Not what people were expecting. So now the market is asking, is this for real? Is this a possibility? Because everybody thought that it was like almost like a foregone conclusion that Mr. Powell was going to be accepted. On that, we've been looking at the rise in bond yields. You know, it keeps not a lot, but all of a sudden they shoot from 130 to 150. Not with a lot of news, honestly. So that was a little bit strange. And also with the other thing that happened, that the dollar had a huge rally against everybody. It's interesting because sometimes when there is panic or issues, you know, the dollar, the yen, and the Swiss franc go up against the others. In this case, it was just the dollar against everybody. It slammed everybody. So interesting. We'll watch it. Remember that if you have a big increase in bond yields, that could be an issue for the market. So we have to be careful, and we will be looking at that. In other parts of the world, you know, the market, you know, again, didn't do a lot new. You know, we finished the quarter, we finished the month, we ended up there. And also there is issues with now with the head of the IMF, Kristalina Georgieva. It was accused that when she was at the World Bank, she was pretty pro-China in the way that she treated the numbers and equations. And apparently, Secretary of Treasury Yellen is not returning the phone calls. So we'll see what's there to that. Another one that we will follow. And the one that is still going is the Evergrande saga. Nothing has changed. We have a lot of bonds and coupons which are coming due. So far, they have not been paid. So everybody has like a 30-day grace period, but
red light camera ahead.
We're not there yet. So again, we're looking. So far, it looks like it's okay, but we're watching. You know, things are okay until they're not okay. So we're watching for what is there. That's all we have. Like always, 8:30 every day, live from New York. Interactive call by Zoom with our clients. Have everybody a great week.